आए हैं जेनिस ब्यूटी सैलून में। अभी तक आपने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में ये देखा रहेगा, स्किन ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं, हेयर ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके बारे में डिटेल जानकारी आपने बहुत कम वीडियोस में ली होगी। हम यहाँ पे आए जेनिस ब्यूटी सैलून में और मिलते हैं उनकी ओनर, ब्यूटीफुल ओनर मिस कैरल। Miss Carol, would you like to say something about yourself, your experience in this industry, in this beauty industry?
Hello, Sanjita. Thank you so much for having me on your show. And yes, I would like to talk about myself a little bit. I have an experience of at least 27 years in the beauty industry, beauty and hair industry, and we've we get a lot of queries about how to deal with hair or skin, of course, and how to take care of it, and what treatments can be done for the hair. And now with the changing times, there are like plenty of treatments in the market, and people are really confused about what should be done, what shouldn't be done. So yeah, we can talk about that. I can give you some information on that. And where is information about myself? Yeah, I'm in the industry for 27 years. I've done my degrees in trichology. I've trained under a dermatologist for skin and peels. I'm a trained L'Oreal professional, so I've done most of my training in hair and color from L'Oreal. And I've done a lot of hairdressing treatments. I've worked even in the film industry. My experience in the industry. So I think I'll be fit enough to answer any question that you have. So
Nowadays, many of the people are facing, because of the environmental changes and all that, problem like hair fall, skin pigmentation. So, how to overcome of it? Would you like to suggest some remedies?
So things like hair fall or skin pigmentation, a lot depends on also your overall health and well-being. Okay, so I specifically, even though I'm a beautician, and of course there's a very thin line between being a beautician and a doctor, so that's the line we respect. But there are a few things that you need to know before you suggest any treatments, any beauty treatments to somebody. So the first thing I usually do ask them is about their overall health, well-being, and their lifestyle. So that is their food habits. If they have any underlying medical conditions, it could be blood pressure, it could be diabetes, it could be any hormonal changes, which is very, very prevalent nowadays in even in the youth, even in young girls, not only in older women. So all these things do contribute to the overall health of your hair and your skin. Then your sun exposure, how often do you go out? If you have boring water in your house, you don't have the municipal, I mean, you get the municipal water, but it could be just limited. So probably to wash your hair, you're using the boring water. So all these things contribute to like things like hair fall, dry skin, roughness in the skin. The environmental damage, of course, can the dust and pollution can affect like things like your blackheads, whiteheads, pimples. Your food habits can affect that. So all that we do take a brief kind of. I do take a brief consulting on that and do ask them about all these things.
Precautions, or how you can take care of this?
Um, so we'll start with hair. What you could do is first of all no over oiling your hair. That is what I suggest. Okay, and you should see that if you have any underlying medical conditions, so you need to know that, because although all that kind of medication will always affect your hair and skin. So whether it's just diabetes or even blood pressure, hormonal imbalance, and hormonal imbalance will definitely affect your hair and skin. You may suffer from hair fall, you can suffer from dryness of the skin, dryness of the hair. So these are things that do happen. So oiling is one option. You can do hair spas. That would be another option, which are like deep conditioning processes. And every time you shampoo your hair, you need to also condition your hair and use a serum. The serum and will again protect it from, like, the dryness that occurs from the environment, the sun, the dust. And try to keep washing your hair at least twice or thrice a week. So you need to keep your scalp clean. Okay. And for skin, I would say your the end of the day, your cleansing, toning, moisturizing your skin is very important as per your skin type, depending on that. And of course, as I said earlier, your food habits, that is very important. What kind of food you have to make, a few lifestyle changes. You exercise for your immunity, that helps also with your skin and hair. And you can take head massages on a very regular basis, so that stimulates blood circulation. You can do cleanups, that will again help keep your pores clean. But all these things have to be done very regularly, not like once in a month or once in 20 days, a weekly thing. It's like an ongoing process.
Uh, Nowadays, everybody is taking treatment of hair like Botox, straightening, then smoothening. So, which treatment is do you suggest is the better option?
There are no such things as better options. I think all treatments in their own right are good. Okay, it's just that whatever comes in new into the market, so there's a hype about these things. Okay, so now we have coloring, excessive coloring. Then you can take as a hair botox treatment, you can take a nanoplasty, you can take a straightening, but again, that has its own limitations depending on what, and it also depends on how straight the client wants their hair, and whether the client wants a chemical process or a non-chemical process. So straightening, smoothening, even keratin has a chemical in it. So the regular keratin treatment. So these are treatments that just work on the top layer, and they will straighten your hair, and it is a chemical process. It will last longer. The post care again is more economical compared to your hair botox um, and your nanoplasty treatment. Now, hair botox and nanoplasty treatments, they do not have. They are not basically chemical treatments. They are more protein treatments, and there is less fumes. There is less irritation of the eyes, and but they can last till about, but they don't last very long. It may last till about 6 months or so, and the process is longer. It takes more time, and their post care is again more expensive than a straightening treatment. And then again, you have to stick to sulfate free products in hair botox or any of these protein treatments, like, so it all depends on what the client too wants to get done. So you have to cover all aspects. So you give the client all options and you allow them to choose. You can suggest, but the ultimate decision is on the customer itself.
So, Karen, once I have taken Botox treatment, and as you said that will last maximum 6 months. After that, also I have to go through that the same treatment. Is that necessary?
Not necessary. It's up to you. Once the treatment wears off, if you are comfortable with your natural texture, what it was before, you can just let it be. But if you enjoyed and really liked the Botox treatment and you liked the way your hair looked after that, and you wish to take the treatment again, you can always repeat the treatment. So it's like that. And
Discounted hair packages for this coming festive season.
we don't give any discounted hair treatment packages because I think our rates are very reasonable for the hair treatments any which way. But what we do include in that is we include is your first deep conditioning hair wash, that is inclusive, and we also include your haircut in that. So we cover it up wherein by giving these services.
ठीक है. देखिए व्यूअर्स, ये जो हमारा जो यहाँ पे सैलून में हम लोग जो बैठे हैं वो अंबरनाथ स्टेशन के पास में ही है, 2 minutes वॉक फ्रॉम द स्टेशन। और उसका जो एड्रेस है मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी। और जो भी ये वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं या वे वीडियो देखने के बाद यहाँ पे आते हैं, और उनको अच्छे खासे डिस्काउंट दिए जाएंगे। एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो मैं आपको जो भी उनके पैकेजेस से रेट है वो आपको मैं दे दूंगी, तो आप वहां से देख लीजिए। नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। और उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
I'm very proud of you that you have actually taken the initiative after so many years. I think we women, when we hit middle age, we don't usually, put ourselves out and take the initiative of these ongoing reels and videos. Like I was conscious, this is my first video. So, in being in the industry for so long and having so much of experience and so much to offer, I still feel awkward actually coming, and it's thanks to you that you brought me out of that. And we women, we never put ourselves out, so thank you very much, and I'm really happy that you're doing this.
Subscribe.
And so please subscribe for this. Thank you so much, Sanjita.
Gyan by Sanjita.
Yeah, channel's name is Gyan by Sanjita. So we hope to see more videos. You hope to see me in more videos now.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Why not?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Carol.